Hello, my name is Toshia. I am a stylist and owner at Savvy the Salon in Northern California. I have met Marche and her amazing team at Financial Services Plus during the middle of the pandemic. And when I tell you it was the best decision that I've made, it was. Marche has come in and helped me turn my business around. It is a complete 360 of what it could have been had I not met Marche. Was able to come in and show me things that I can do to keep my business afloat, and also to just help me hone in on the things that I already have to better my business, to make more money. So it's not just a bookkeeping service, it is Financial Services Plus. So the plus side of that is where you get coaching, and Marche is just amazing at how she gives you insight on things that you already know, things you already have, and you can capitalize on. And so with that, I'm forever grateful for Marche and her team at Financial Services Plus. Thank you so much, Marche.